I'm like, God damn, I gotta put myself together. I'm like, oh my God, maybe.
Okay, that's okay. So I just want you to watch what I'm doing, okay? Ma'am, I need you to stay in the car.
I show you.
We are on a highway. No, I need you to stay in the car. We're on a highway, okay?
I know.
Miss.
This is my mom's car.
Okay, miss. But listen.
Oh my God.
The incident occurred in New Jersey on the afternoon of May 21st, 2023. Officer Robert from the police department, while on patrol, noticed a silver-gray car swerving on the highway. Inside the car were two girls in swimsuits who appeared to be intoxicated. The officer immediately turned on his lights and signaled for the car to stop.
Hey, how are you? Just have a driver's license, registration, proof of insurance with you?
Both cars or no?
I'm sorry?
Both of us?
Yeah, if you got yours, sure.
He's like,
I'm sorry?
I didn't insurance.
Thank you.
32 girls presented their identification to the officer. The driver was Karina, 20 years old, and the passenger was Olivia, 24 years old. The officer then asked the girls about their destination. They said they had just left a bar on a nearby beach.
Where are you guys coming from today? Donovan's?
Yeah.
Alright. How much did you have to drink today?
I had nothing. I'm literally hurts. I can show you if you want.
You're the passenger in the vehicle, so I'm not too concerned. I'm concerned with...
Yeah.
Have you had anything to drink today? Any illegal drugs? Any... Just alcohol?
Yes, I had 2 drinks.
2 drinks?
Karina admitted she had drunk 2 glasses of alcohol. The officer asked her to turn off the car, but the girls seemed displeased with the request. Olivia took the car keys and threw them towards the windshield.
Do me a favor, turn the key off and just throw the keys up on the dashboard for me, alright? I'm gonna go double check your license and I'll be right back with you.
Next, the officer checked Karina's driver's license and found that she was under 21, the legal drinking age. Therefore, the officer asked her to step out of the car for further investigation.
Alright, Karina, step out of the car for me.
Why?
Because I want to talk to you on the side of the road, probably get her...
I can drive home.
What do you mean?
I didn't drink anything.
Alright, that's fine, but...
I can take a
so
test. I can do anything you want. I just have...
The only issue I have is... The reason why I'm stopping you guys in the first place is when you were coming over the bridge, I noticed that you guys were failing to maintain your lane. I saw you guys laughing and joking. You handed me a driver's license that says you're not 21 until next year.
I'm 24 years old. So
no, you're the driver did.
No, I'm 24 years old.
So right now I'm asking you to step out of the vehicle so we can talk on the side of the road. Step out of the vehicle. Yes. I believe you're intoxicated.
Listen, I mean, it's fine. Just get out of
Alright. All we're going to do is we're going to step on the side of the road, we're going to have a chat, and we're going to go from there. Alright? How long ago did you guys leave Donovan's?
30 minutes ago.
30 minutes ago? How much did you really have to drink?
While the officer was questioning Karina, another female officer named patrolwoman Nicole Curley quickly arrived at the scene to assist. However, as the officer engaged Karina in general questioning, Olivia attempted to open the vehicle door and exit.
Ma'am, stay in the car. Stay in the car. Stay in.
Miss, get in the car.
I'm sorry, guys. I'm new to this. I'm like way too...
That's alright.
Alert to the situation, the second police officer instructed Olivia to remain inside the car for her safety and compliance with their instructions. During this time, the other officer approached Olivia to request her ID.
Do you have ID?
Yes, of course. I'm on medication right now.
I just need to see your ID.
That's why I didn't drive. Hold on, Danny. I'm trying to find my fucking ID. Relax. I just gave it.
Can you hang up the phone?
Yeah. Actually, it's my boyfriend. I'm going to put him on speaker if you don't mind.
No, you can hang up the phone.
I'm going to put it on speaker. Thank you.
However, Olivia had forgotten that she had already given her ID to the first officer. Engrossed in conversation with her boyfriend over the phone, Olivia's behavior grew confrontational.
I can't find my fucking ID.
It should be in your wallet.
I know it should be. I have my debit card, I have my credit card, I have my Credit Karma card. I just had my ID.
Is this vehicle in your name, ma'am?
No, this is not my car, it's not my vehicle.
You're not in any trouble. Ma'am, you're not in any trouble.
No, I don't care if I'm in trouble.
Okay.
I just want you to know I have my ID.
Whether it was out of concern that Karina might be cold or because he was distracted, the officer asked Karina to put on a jacket.
Do you have a shirt that you want to put on?
Oh God, I guess I do have a shirt.
Hang on, don't. No. Just, is it that pink one?
That's a dress.
Okay, can you just? All right.
Wait, do it.
Hang on. No, stand back over there. Let's see if we can get you a shirt. This way you're not cold.
Sweatshirt, of course.
Perfect.
Thank you.
Stand right there.
And do what? I'm sorry.
All right. Why don't you put the sweatshirt on?
Oh, inside out. I'm sorry, guys.
It's alright.
I'm like, God damn, I gotta put myself together. I'm like,
After Karina put on a jacket, the two officers prepared to conduct a sobriety test and began instructing her on what to do.
oh my God, maybe. Wait,
Want me to explain to you?
you know what I remembered? Gym class, like, to look at things. Okay,
Miss, what's your name?
Karina.
Karina? Karina?
Yeah.
Okay.
Wait.
I want you to pay attention very closely to what he's telling you to do. Okay? And I want you to do only that. So I want you to look, okay? So this is what he said, right? So you're going to stand here with your feet together like this, toes pointed forward. You see how my hands are? You see how they're down by my side? I want you to keep your hands at your side, touching the sides of your legs. All right? Then you're going to extend your foot. You're going to extend your foot straight out in front of you, keeping your foot parallel to the ground.
Read, explain.
While the officers were instructing Karina on how to perform the sobriety test, Olivia repeatedly requested to get out of the car to stand beside her. She interrupted the officer to get out of the car again.
Ma'am, just stay in the car, okay? Ma'am, I need you to come to the back of the car. Ma'am, I need you to stay in the car.
I'll show you.
We are on a highway. No, I need you to stay in the car. We're on a highway, okay? Miss, come on. Miss, just stay in the car.
I just want to witness it.
Okay, no, you have to stay in the car.
No, I want to
Ma'am,
witness it.
you need
I'm
to stay
so
in the car.
sorry, but I'm
Miss,
hearing what you're saying, and I need to witness the.
Okay, do you realize that by interfering with motor vehicle stop and
If
what
you
we're doing,
wanna
that we can
arrest
also
me-
arrest you for obstruction? So please
Okay,
get
do
back
you
into the
wanna
car.
arrest me?
I really don't. I want
don't
you
want
to get
you
into
to
the
either.
car.
I just want to see
So
what's
then I
going
need-
on.
This time, Olivia insisted on getting out of the car because she was in pain. However, to ensure safety, the officers insisted she stay in the car and declared they had no intention of arresting her. The officers then continued the sobriety test for Karina. About 3 minutes later, Olivia opened the car door again and ran straight to a white car parked in front.
I know.
You
I
have
didn't fucking
to-
pay to arrest me.
Miss.
This is my mom's car.
Okay,
I need
miss.
to sit here.
But listen.
I don't care.
No, miss.
I'm in pain. I need
Miss.
to stand up.
Miss.
I'm
Okay.
in pain.
She claimed the car belonged to her mother, but surprise. The person sitting in the car was her boyfriend.
Miss.
I understand. I'm not trying to disrespect you.
Listen.
Turn it off.
Miss.
I'm in
you
a
need
lot
to
of
calm
pain.
down. You cannot just run out of a vehicle on a motor
Listen.
vehicle stop until we allow you to
I
go.
understand.
She continued to argue with the officer, insisting she was in too much pain to sit down. She also mentioned that she was a nurse, as if to assert some authority.
I will stand wherever you want me to.
Listen.
But I need to stand up.
Listen.
I cannot sit. I cannot
Miss.
sit. If you're not listening, I'm a fucking nurse. I need to stand. So tell me where to stand. I will stand wherever you want me to. But I cannot sit in that car. I will stand there. I will stand there. I will stand anywhere. Please let me stand. Anywhere.
Need to listen to me.
I will listen to you, but can you please let
Okay.
me stand up? That's all I'm asking.
I need you to stop talking.
Okay.
Okay. I'm going to let you take her because I'm afraid that she's going to next run and cross the highway.
I'm
She
not
won't.
gonna
And
cross the highway.
Okay.
I understand.
But that's why I'm nervous of because she has not listened to anything that we have said
I
this entire
understand
time,
that.
and
I
she's
will
been very
listen to
belligerent.
you. I just
okay.
want to stand
I want her
up.
to be safe. I want her to get out of here.
I just
I think
want
she
to-
does still have belongings in that car. I cannot let you take those until we're done with what
My
we're doing.
purse.
But
Listen,
she can't.
I
She's not going to be.
told her I
If
need
she
to
gets into this
stand up.
vehicle,
If she wants
I know.
doctor's
okay.
notes, I will give it to
all
her.
right, you either need to get into this
I am a
vehicle
fucking
or
nurse. Am I being
Okay.
arrested?
Get-
No,
Am I
get-
being arrested?
If you keep interfering interfering, I can arrest you. I don't want to do that.
Olivia continued to argue with the officer. However, after being persuaded by her boyfriend, she finally agreed to sit back in the car. The female officer returned to the scene. Since Karina failed the sobriety test, Officer Robert prepared to handcuff and arrest her.
So what exactly are you guys doing?
Like, you're being placed under arrest for driving while intoxicated. Okay? Do you have a cell phone in here or anything that you need?
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
I'm sorry.
Okay, we'll grab it for you.
Where's your cell phone?
I do not know someone.
Okay, all right. I'll look for it and I'll grab it. I'll get it for you. Okay. Do you have a wallet in here?
Yeah,
What color? Which purse is yours? The brown one or the black one?
the black.
The black one.
Oh my god.
All right.
I cannot believe that.
Karina was then taken to the Highlands police station. After a few hours, Olivia's boyfriend posted bail for her. She was charged with driving under the influence, reckless driving, following too closely, and refusing a breathalyzer test. You might think that police officers are no strangers to repeat offenders, but what happens when a teenager gets caught 4 times in just 6 months? Yes, Karina was subsequently jailed again in July 2023, 2 months after the incident. Today, she was arrested by the Montville Police Department for driving under the influence. Karina seems to be becoming an expert in sobriety tests and even tried to joke inappropriately with a young police officer at the station. What do you think about this girl? Leave a comment to let us know your opinion. See you next time.